The future of high-speed transport in America could also be heading for Europe. The Hyperloop transportation system, dreamed up by Elon Musk in 2013, is said to be installed in Bratislava as soon as 2020. Slovakia is planning to build a system to create routes from Bratislava to Vienna and Budapest and is designed to cut 4-hour journeys to just 25 minutes. Hyperloop is essentially a long tube that has had the air removed to create a vacuum. The removal of air in a tube allows for the passage of capsules at high speeds. The system maintains passenger comfort whilst accelerating capsules safely to 760 mph. The tube is suspended off the ground to protect against weather and earthquakes, and passengers would sit in either individual or group pods, which would then be accelerated with magnets. The cost of building a line from LA to San Francisco has previously been estimated at $16 billion, although critics said it would be near $100 billion. Hyperloop Transportation Technologies met with Slovakian government officials last week to finalize and sign an agreement to bring the system to Europe. In particular, they are looking to build a local Hyperloop system with the vision of creating future routes connecting Bratislava with Vienna, Austria and Budapest, Hungary. Slovakia is a technological leader in the automotive, material science, and energy industries, many of the areas that are integral to the Hyperloop system, said Dirk Alborn, HTT's boss. According to Wired, Mr. Alborn wants the first stage to be complete by 2020. But the company has not secured funding yet, and the project is expected to cost $1 billion. Having a European Hyperloop presence will incentivize collaboration and innovation within Slovakia and throughout Europe, said Mr. Alborn. With our project in Key Valley, this agreement with Slovakia, and future developments with other regions of the world, HTT truly has become a global movement. A Bratislava to Vienna route that would normally take around an hour to drive, could take about 8 minutes at Hyperloop's full speed. From Bratislava to Budapest, which takes about 2 hours to drive or 5 hours on trains, would take 10 minutes on Hyperloop. A route between Bratislava and Košice, a distance of 250 miles, could also be considered. This would connect the eastern and western sides of Slovakia with a short trip of only 25 minutes, reducing the typical 4.5-hour car ride dramatically. Hyperloop in Europe would cut distances substantially and network cities in unprecedented ways, said Vasil Uduk, Minister of Economy of the Slovak Republic. A transportation system of this kind would redefine the concept of commuting and boost cross-border cooperation in Europe. The expansion of Hyperloop will lead to an increased demand for the creation of new innovation hubs, in Slovakia and all over Europe. In 1896 the first electric underground railway system was built in Budapest, and already in 1914 the first electric train line between Bratislava and Vienna was created, said Bob Gresta, HTT's COO. Slovakia continues to confirm its position as one of the most forward-thinking countries by embracing innovations like the Hyperloop transportation system. Hyperloop is a tube-based transportation system for inter- and intra-city transport. Its maximum acceleration is approximately 1 g and the experience is similar to a performance car. Hyperloop uses a combination of alternative energy and conservation techniques such as photovoltaics, wind, kinetic, regenerative braking, and geothermal power to ensure sustainability and low cost. This suite of energy sources combined with an accelerated, low-cost build, enables Hyperloop to develop rapidly. Hyperloop is a proposed method of travel that would transport people at 745 mph between distant locations. It was unveiled by Elon Musk in 2013, who said it could take passengers to 380 miles from LA to San Francisco in 30 minutes, half the time it takes a plane. According to Hyperloop Technologies boss Rob Lloyd, a test site in Las Vegas where a concept originated by Tesla's Elon Musk, is becoming a viable option for high-speed transportation. The team is planning a prototype of Hyperloop there later this year. 3 Southern California companies are also building separate test tracks to see how well the Hyperloop transportation concept works in the real world. Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk breathed life into the Hyperloop in 2013, when he proposed a network of elevated tubes to transport specially designed capsules over long distances.